could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original.
So, hey vlog. I don't know if it's clipped for this or not, and I don't remember creating the intro. So what's up? What's good? It's Quaysha'lae. Yes, Quaysha'lae. It's Sunday. Got a new puppy. Went to church. Came back, and it was everywhere. So we're making a video, and I put it in there. I cleaned all the bags. So enjoy this one. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the next day. I just got out the shower, I'm gonna do my hair, brush my teeth, and I'm gonna do some stuff around the house. It's so eclipse day, and our time is 3:03 so.
I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the
So I'm calling y'all back. I got done with my hair. I did some laundry as you've seen in the previous clip. Haven't really done much today though. Just a bunch of school assignments, probably like 4 or 5, not a lot. I still have more I could do, which that'll be later on in this video. So that's the reason I didn't really put those in here. I'm looking at the dog, by the way. But nothing major is going on today, tomorrow, or any day really. But it's solar eclipse day, so I said let me go pick up the camera, and I'm doing little stuff around the house. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm doing something a little more interesting. Look, let me see it. Y'all see the crescent? Yes, no, maybe. I don't know if y'all can see nothing. I don't know. We gonna find out when I go back and eat it, because I don't know. What you making?
Naan.
What is naan?
It's an Indian food.
She's making naan. I'm about to make some butter chicken. I'm not about to make no butter chicken. I'm about to fix the chicken. And by fix, I mean clean it, chop it. What is it? Chop it, dye it, slide it. Why can't you get the word out no more?
Dice.
Dice. Dice, excuse me.
Who
be using my cut board?
I did. I got potatoes on it.
And it felt like. Okay.
deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Been dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, bitch, flex on my legs, and my model legs. Flex on my legs.
Good morning. It's the next day. I am headed to chiropractor, whatever you would like to call it. If you don't know, which most of you probably don't, I was in a car accident. I said two cars totaled my car out. Yeah, life. But right now, that's where I'm headed. My report might not depends on if I feel like it. I'm sure he won't mind. He's really nice. But yeah. But that's where I'm headed, and I'll just see y'all later. So hey, you ready to get down now? This is our new puppy. This is Rain, and I'm sure if you've watched my last video, my last few, Stormy was in there.
So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept.
Hey y'all, I'm just calling y'all back. It is 5:02 p.m. the next day. I think the last time I actually talked to y'all, I was at Cairo. I didn't really do anything after that, but some schoolwork, and I haven't really done anything today. Stop! This little mother trucker just beat my toe. Back to the program. Like I said, I ain't really done nothing today. I'm gonna do some more schoolwork now. Yeah, that's really all I do. Schoolwork. Anyway.
Say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying.
So what's up, y'all? I made it. Calling back. I made it home. As y'all seen, we went to get my shoes. We were going to have it. Mama, oh. But yeah, with my folks about to go eat.
To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done like, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that.
Because of the
Maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was new, it would be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
National Society of Leadership is something. That's their cookie flash. And I also have the pull-up. Black and green. And I don't understand. They got a piece. They have the piece set over here. Why do you have to buy it separately? And it's like, then we have, these are shoes. I can already understand, bro. I was so mad, furious with these. What? Oh, this is the shoe. It's gold. Sequin. Is that sequin? So we're gonna call it clean. I think this is really cute, okay? I think this is cute. I need to try it on. Put my foot in here real quick. Look at all this stuff. Because I'm quick to send something. It's okay. Because they sent the link and I really can't wear this thing. I'm gonna send it back. And you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. We'll start with this one first. Oh, it is. This gold. It's really champagne. But it matches the heels good. Here we go with this Delco stuff. Okay, here we go. It's big. What am I doing with this? It's asymmetrical, as you can see. I really like emerald green, y'all. So like, why? Oh. Okay. Smell like factory, but it's okay. Okay. Semi off the shoulder, on the shoulder. You don't know, however I choose to wear. And it's really long, formal, and it has a slit. But that's all I got.